all my dear friends and my respected teachers. Myself Hiba Iram of class 3rd B, and today I am going to prepare fireless cooking, and my food name is sprout salad. For this I need sprouts, cucumbers, onion, coriander leaves, carrots, capsicum, dry mango powder, salt, half lemon and green chili. First of all, I add sprouts. Then I add cucumbers. Then I add onion. Then I add carrots. Then I add capsicum. Then I add dry mango powder. Then I add salt. Then I add half lemon. Then I add green chili powder. And then I have to mix it. And in the last, I am adding coriander leaves. And our sprout salad is ready. So thank you.
Good morning, my name is Tejasvi. I am studying 3rd B. Today I will make sprout salad. I take first sprouts, chana dal, moong dal, soaked in water before 12 hours. Take wet cloth, put them tight and hang them. After 24 hours, open it, ready to sprouts. I take carrots, cucumber, onions, green chili, coriander, salt, lemon juice, amchur powder, bowl. First I add sprouts. Second I add carrot. Second, I add cucumber. Second, I add onions. Second, I add green chili. Coriander. Mix it. And mix it. And I take salt, small. lemon juice. Small. Okay, and mix.
Mix it.
Mix it. This all. Over,
Ready to?
ready to sprout salad. Thank you.